So it's day three of Eid, and Mama is in her office. By the way, guys, thank you for all your kind words, and you know what, I filmed that and I cried, but I didn't think Mum was going to put it in the video, but she put it in the video.
Yeah, so I thought you okay with it because you film it, innit?
Yeah, but I thought, okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
It was more of a message to you.
Yeah, this is my. Is he look like me? Have a look. Look, everybody say Iqbal look like me.
Yeah, he's got that.
Like he don't look like my son.
He's got that big nose. That's why.
He don't look like my son-in-law. He look like my son. Like you mean I got big nose?
Kind of.
Nose to be Sharmina.
So what? Mum's wearing H&M.
Yes.
Is it H&M?
Too many dresses I got.
Well, all of us are wearing H&M because you could clearly see there was a sale on H&M.
Yeah.
Why am I looking this way? Oh my god, what is going on? Why is it this way? So this is what I'm wearing. This is what
You know what? They all going now. So I'm not gonna move from bed only for namaz for 3 days.
Yeah, you say that, but then you do
No,
some
I'm
project.
so tired.
You do some project.
No, I'm not gonna do any project.
No, there's my bed.
Oh my god, that's so cute. What is it? Caleb? Who gave you that?
So yeah.
Allah.
This is what Malia's wearing.
I want one. My 5.
My 5.
I should,
5 a day.
I
Keeps the
should
doctor
have
away.
my 5.
Quality is way better than mine. Now this is my
So
my
I'll
bit.
vlog her vlogging.
Hi everyone.
Hi,
it's
everyone.
Eid day 3.
I feel like I look better in your camera than I do in Mom's.
Yeah, I like your camera. You like
Mine
our
has
camera.
like a color on it or
Yeah,
something.
that's what's
Anyway.
going on.
Mine is quite natural in color, but she has like a TV kind of color. It's very
So
nice.
today I cook. I didn't bother to cook in barbecue station, so I cook everything barbecue
Where
in
you
my
looking?
pan.
Where you looking?
Okay.
Both.
Let's do Malia's.
Look,
Let's do
Mama's
Malia's
filming
vlog
this
right now,
video.
okay? So a very nice young lady. Well, a very nice lady.
Old lady.
No.
Okay.
Oh.
anyways.
Yeah. What are you
Very
talking about?
nice lady.
Like who does that in this day and age, innit?
Mama's and her.
That travels just to see a person.
So she used to be my customer in Cardiff.
The lighting's weird.
From customers.
Lighting's weird.
For my husband when I go home. So that's why I'm
Where are you going? Hala, Lara.
in the line now. This is Mama's outfit today.
So the lady, her name is Ibn.
Nafi and Mama are both rocking H&M right now.
Yeah, she wearing Anha. This is my design.
Yeah, this is on her.
So you know what? This lady come. Her name is Ilham.
She's very nice.
Very nice.
She's extremely nice. Well,
Yeah.
she used to be my customer. She gets so close now. She just surprised me. She just come with a gift
Wow.
and everything, and she bring all of you gifts as well.
Oh, now I like it.
No, only me.
It's very nice.
So yeah, and her sweet cakes. So thank you
They're
so
really
much.
nice.
And the good thing is, her teenage children watch my recipe channel.
Yeah.
How
They were like, oh,
cute
I was
is that?
thinking I recognize this
How cute
woman.
is that? So today vlog, guys,
Oh,
is
Maria,
gonna
was
be
that
in
your
English.
It's only my toe.
Okay, everybody says that we want to know Mama Hajj miracle story in English because everybody says.
Yeah, you could do that in your own time, ma.
Everyone say that
You could do that
it's
in your
no
own time.
pain. So for those who don't understand, inshallah, I will repeat that story in
Yeah,
English.
she'll repeat that.
But today's vlog gonna be totally in English, okay? So I'm making kabuli pulao.
Wow.
with
I don't like
Qurban
kabuli
meat.
pulao, but anyway.
You know this barbecue station cleaning is so hard. I cleaned the barbecue station yesterday. Siddiq and Sami missed the barbecue and I want to feed them barbecue. So I did everything in the pan with barbecue.
Yeah.
I'll teach you that later on. But I added coal in the middle and it's exactly like barbecue.
Wow.
So look what I made. I made them.
Malia, do you think somebody should get ice?
I made
more
them
drink?
ribs. I made them tikka. I made them kebab. So these are for them to miss barbecue yesterday.
Oh. Okay, see you in a bit.
Siddiq is sitting here.
Well, I think you
You
were
know?
coming tomorrow. You're coming on the weekend.
Siddiq missed yesterday barbecue, so I did artificial barbecue for him.
Yeah, you missed it.
I did barbecue in the pan for him, and for this one, he don't want to show his face, so I can show you his leg and his arm. Yeah, that's my Sami. Maliha's sitting here. Nafia's as usual.
Oh, that smells good.
Posing. Look what I cooked on the third day of Eid. So I make pulao,
We literally
pasta,
had to cancel today.
kebab, chapli kebab, ribs, and tikka. But that's no even barbecue, but they look like barbecue.
Oh, is it? You don't care if we do everything without you. So what we'll do is every single day of this week, guys, we'll go somewhere.
When he gonna show his face?
Guys.
Like my followers want to see this handsome boy, mashallah.
Look at this, man. I'll be very honest. These guys take the deadest shots ever. Their shots are like this. I'm just gonna show you the food. I'll show you the food.
It's you as well. There's a
Yeah, I don't do that. I go,
Okay.
go and you do it.
Look,
Show
I'm
me.
gonna show you the
Okay,
barbecue.
show me. You show
This
me.
is what we
Okay.
got right here.
Okay.
Some
Yeah, I'm
nice
gonna eat
meat
this
here,
delicious
yeah.
Okay, then you tell me how to do it. Go on, you
You've
tell
got to
me.
finesse
You
it.
tell me.
You gotta finesse.
Okay.
gotta get
So
Zoom
hold
in
it
like
that.
If it's fine, now to get it.
You get all the steam
Mm.
and you get it right there. Look.
Okay.
Oh, look
But
at
I'm
that.
not
It looks so
professional
nice.
like you, Kana.
It's not professional.
Look back.
Oh, look at that. And a bit of that glisten on the meat. You get that glisten.
So you have to come on.
Sunny is gonna get cold.
Bit of that glisten on the meat right there. And you give it one of these.
Friday then, obviously.
Ooh. Then you come with these kebabs
How long, bro?
because
You can't come
I'm
all
American
day.
and I gotta call it a kebab. And then you just bring it like that
Come on
across.
Thursday.
Oh yeah.
It's
Look at that.
everything's last minute then.
Yeah. We come here to Bridgen Outlet, which I already show you in one of my vlog. And we're going to eat pizza here. So how are we gonna eat?
No, I don't. Look, can I have more than both of you? But
So we're in Pizza Hut at the moment, and things work quite differently. Do you want to explain to them how it works, Ma?
You explain. So basically, what we have to do is, these are all the rules.
So what you have to do is basically you go on their site, you order from them, and then basically everything that you've ordered, they bring it to your table.
Yeah.
And it's social distancing. There's no self-service. So that basically means that if you have a buffet,
Yeah.
you still have to order on the site.
Yeah.
And then if you want another pizza, you just pick your hand up. So that's pretty good, isn't it? It's really safe.
It's still safe.
Yeah, it's really safe.
Anyway, we are going home now, inshallah. And I got a good news for you. Good news. Okay, the good news is,
Guys, take 235. Mama's doing a giveaway. So the giveaway rules are that you have to like, subscribe, and comment below. And when you're commenting, you need to tag 3 people. Okay? And then the winner will be selected randomly, and the winner will be announced on the 29th of August. What you will be winning will come in another video. Mom's going to show you what you're going to win, but there's multiple things. There'll be jewelry,
my own
scarf,
designing dress.
design dresses from Mum. So that's the giveaway now. I'm going to pass it on to Mama so she can say it in Urdu.
So इंशाल्लाह मैं गिव अवे करूँगी 29 अगस्त को अनाउंस करूँगी और रैंडमली यानी जैसे बस ऐसे ही किसी को सेलेक्ट कर लूँगी। पर गिव अवे के रूल्स ये है कि आप 3 लोगों को टैग करेंगे, नीचे कमेंट्स करेंगे, उसमें 3 लोगों को टैग करेंगे।
सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, शेयर करेंगे मेरे चैनल को और कमेंट्स करेंगे तो इंशाल्लाह हम आप में से किसी एक को मैं सेलेक्ट करूँगी और उसको एक गिफ्ट भेजूँगी। वो गिफ्ट इंशाल्लाह मैं नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में बताऊँगी आप लोगों को गिफ्ट में क्या क्या चीज़ें होंगी। सो इंशाल्लाह गुड लक। तो गाड़ी में जा रहे हैं और ये अजीब किस्म का अल्लाह हाफिज़ आपको कहेंगे, गाड़ी में कहेंगे आज कि बच्चे मुझे कैसे स्पॉइल करते हैं, हाउ दे स्पॉइल मी इंशाल्लाह। एंड आई विश everyone children's like that and everyone have children like mine. So inshallah I'm gonna post this I'm gonna post more videos, more vlogs with you people choice, and until then Allah Hafiz. But before I leave, please like, subscribe and comment below, and Allah Hafiz.